Now, with all that being said, thank you and enjoy the ride. All aboard!
Ding, ding,
Alright now friends, coming right up on my left hand side, you can find the Spirit of Los Angeles statue. This statue was created by sculptor Dusbury, whose work has been featured in the Gene Museum, the Crystal Cathedral, Walt Disney Company, and the Ronald Reagan Library, just to name a few. This statue is also a tribute to the people of Los Angeles right here at the city center. And if you guys are into New York fashion, why not head over to Coach, coming right up on my left hand side. They have tons of new arrivals, and it looks like they're collaborating with famous actress Michael B. Jordan. So make sure you guys go check that out for yourselves today.
She's the factory.
Now, if you guys are interested in watching a brand new movie, make sure to head over to our reanimated AMC movie theaters right here on my right hand side. They have a lot of shows showing up right now on the showtime, so make sure you guys buy your tickets, grab a seat, enjoy some popcorn, and watch a good movie. And if you guys haven't seen the new Shang-Chi movie, I do highly recommend you guys to watch it because it is amazing. And after that, make sure to head up to Brewer Sushi Bar and Grill right here on my right hand side. They have one of the best sushis you guys can ever taste, and if you guys are being a little bit daring, I do recommend you guys try out their wings with some honey wasabi, which is my favorite. Now, if you guys have a little bit of spare time on your hands, make sure to visit our newest pop-up here at the Grove by Redo, right here on my left-hand side. It looks like they have some essentials, such as candles, perfume, lotion, and much more. So make sure you guys go check that out for yourselves today. And once you're done with that, make sure to visit one of our 4 kiosks right here on my right-hand side. We have Los Espressos, Press Juicery, Brownworks Coffee, and Haagen-Dazs Ice Cream. If you guys are feeling a little bit or thirsty. And it looks like we're almost reaching back at our first stop, right here, right by the Trolley Barn. Please do me a huge favor and remain seated up until we come to a complete stop and you guys hear that safety bell, courtesy of our good friend Angelo. Once again, please remain seated up until we come to a complete stop and you guys hear that safety bell.
It's pretty much just having your license.